Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate the client that I have created, shop client that I have created for the assignment of the database 2. And about the client, it is contain very simple functionalities that I have wants to have in the Bookshop client. It do not have the every current operations, but it have some the operations that I have mentioned in the assignment only. And first of all, in the demonstration purposes, I have used my NetBeans project. And first of all, let me tell me about how I created this client. This client is created by using a document database and graph database. In document database, I have used the MongoDB, and the graph database side, I have used Neo4j. And then the applications will be initialized by getting the command line arguments from the users. So user have sent the command line arguments. There is a couple of command line arguments have to be passed. Yeah, this is first one. It is a folder that the CHC file located, and the another one is a max invoice. I can mention that how many invoices was automatically generated, and in this case I have created 700 of invoices, and another one is a maximum number of book entries. The invoices places I can mention how many numbers of maximum of inputs to the book entries, and the quantity will be randomized in this max value, and also quantity which means the book, how many quantities that person will buy in one invoice, one item. And also the max discount, it is a maximum discount value, and the discount value will be inside those inside the zero and the max discount value. All the sort of parameters are used for my random dummy generator. I call it as a dummy generator. And yeah, and also finally it's got India, which is mean all the data that I have created from 2010 to 2015. So that is 2010. Now in this case, all the data will be created in 2010. Yeah. After that, I have to go through the couple of things and initialize the server URL of the Neo4j and the creating connections to the MongoDB, and those are the clients that I have created the MongoDB database, getting the database connections, and initialize the connection provider. Connection providers mean the MongoDB connection provider, and also create something called the Neo engine. Neo engine is the person to have the class that are responsible to talk with the Neo4j and Neo engine. And also this is the class that I have dummy generated. Dummy generator, what it do, it will generate the dummy data to the document database, which is mean an NoSQL, and all the sort of things will be passed to a dummy generator. You can see the Neo engine also have to be passed, because the dummy generator also create a draft database and the document database in one. In the one running, it will generate those two scenarios in one. And after that, it will create the controllers for customers, book and book categories. Those controls will be using in my client front client. After all those sort of things, I create the front client and pass all these controllers and the connection values to my front client. Yeah. After this is on my home client, and I think it is to it takes some time to read it. But I show you my dummy generator, because those are things we'll be focusing on right now in assignment. and you can see the dummy generators will be created, and it will go through CSV files and grab the data from the CSV files. And after the grabbing all sort of data, and I put it into the list and save that data into my MongoDB database, and those are the methods that saving my books and book categories and books to the MongoDB database. And also, same time, it will be create a dummy. It will create also the dummy invoices along with the book items, and also it will create new graph database also. Graph database, here all the functions related to graph database, and I have to mention that I have used Neo4j, and Neo4j is two methods that we can talk to Neo4j. It is one method is the embedded way, and another method is RESTful way. I use a RESTful way, and I use Jersey. Jersey is a RESTful, actually RESTful library that I easily talk to the RESTful client. So I use Jersey with the talk to the Neo4j, and all the methods that I have calling, I use Cypher queries, and you can see, you can go through those files and you can look at this. I have write Cypher queries to create the nodes and relations, and also to grab the data from those relations. And yeah, this is add book and invoice, and create year, create months, and create an invoice draft. This will create a couple of relations among the nodes and create a graph. Yeah, that's all about the graph database. After the graph database is created, it will look like this. In this case, the root, I will limit to the 10 nodes. There is so many nodes than this. I have to limit to the 10 in demonstration purposes, and this is a root node, which is I call it as shop, and another node is a ear node. And you can go through my design documentation and know exactly what is going on. What is this tree? Actually, I create a tree to query the maximum number, maximum income. Who is the maximum income user? And this is the way I created. And yeah, after creating all the sort of things, and I create frames. And as you know, it is just kind of the way Java do. And on this client, I call into the Neo engine and those controllers, and grabbing the data from the MongoDB and the Graph SQL, and decide what to show. And this is when you run the application looking like this. And first of all, there is 4 users. There is 5 users, and first of all, application asks which user you have to select, and there is no password. Those are kind of a security is right there, and select the user, and now I have displayed the TLS switch. And I like to, when I have to buy books, I have to place the inverse. I have to add the books, and I have the friction categories, and in the friction categories there is a couple of books, and I use the Rain on My Wind book, and add the 5 amount I have to buy. And after that, you can see that the Rain Wind friction book will be added. In this moment, unfortunately, the teleservice is not buy a book in previous month. If she does, if he did in the buy a book in the previous month, it will shown right here. But unfortunately, this time she not buy a book in previous month. And after that, I add another book in the computer section, and click gadget and select that, and I see on categories. Yeah, the computer book categories we added, and also those frictions book will be the same because she already selected frictions books, and the two of computer books also recommended, and this time also one, and this is education book and recommended book also there. If she buy the one in the previous month, it will show in here. Let's press the buy button. Yeah, book is added successfully, and it added to the database. After that, it's so simple, and getting the highest, the persons who buy highest. What things happen here? Yeah, sorry for that. It takes some while, and in this time, Kumara Sangakkara is the one who buy most, who's the one it's take more income to the organization. He wrote 62,000 kind of the budget in previous month. Yeah, that's all about the client, and hope you enjoy. Thank you.